Alright. Damn it. Oh, gotta stretch. Gotta stretch. So, you're talking about circumcision and like penis inspections or something? So you think that having a foreskin should be a privilege and you should have to keep it clean, right? And so once you turn 8, shouldn't it be 25 since you want the age of consent to be 25? Shouldn't like the age of majority just be 25 in general? Because they're basically still kids if they're not washing their dick properly when they're 18. But like maybe they start getting the penis inspections, but like when they're 18. But it's like they're not actually under risk of being circumcised if they don't keep their dick clean enough until they're 25. That would ease them into it, kind of like how kindergarten eases kids into going to prison daycare. And you think that like circumcised dicks look more manly anyways, but you're not circumcised, are you? You think that, so you have a feminine penis then, basically is what you're saying, right? Like a transgender woman would. So how do we know that you're not transgender yourself? Are you just like in the closet? Okay. I mean, yeah, you don't look like you're a woman, but you are rich, so if you did want to be a woman, then I guess you could. Unlike those like poor people who say they're transgender and then they look like dudes because they can't transition because they don't have the money for it. I'm not saying they're not valid, it's just they're not hot. I only really care about the hot transgender women. And right, yeah. Dude, this is just gonna turn into like transphobia, like chaser zone, transphobic chaser zone, if we keep talking about this stuff. So, alright, so basically, most Europeans are nasty and they don't get circumcised, so they have like smegma built up underneath their cockhead because they don't wash it properly. And so you think that to encourage them to treat their bodies and clean it properly, there should be like a threat of like unconsensual or like forced circumcision if they fail a penis inspection too many times or something. Like, so basically, so what I'm thinking here is, you know how you get a driver's license in the U.S. and you don't really have to take a test or anything as long as you don't start crashing or, you know, getting pulled over or doing something illegal. So what you would do, you would have like a system where, you know, anyone that sees their penis, like a doctor or maybe their girlfriend or something, reviews its cleanliness if they're uncircumcised. Oh, I just got into a match. So, yeah. Yeah, and so if they get like a negative review, then they have to go in for a penis inspection, and then it's like, alright, well, you can either improve your penile hygiene, or we can get rid of this foreskin for you. I need a new mouse. My mouse is double clicking. So was that your basic idea? Because I really don't understand it. Well, transgender women would just be cleaner in general, so they would be able to maintain the uncircumcised feminine penis properly. So I don't think it would really be a problem. I think you wouldn't have to make an exception for transgender women because they would just do it. As long as they're rich, of course. Who knows with like a poor transgender woman who can't get like HRT and top surgery. Yeah, I wouldn't say any of this except, well, no, I should just end the video, shouldn't I? Well, you could just cut it out, right?